Hello guys, glad to see you here. In this video we will see the best free-to-play games for your low-spec PC. So let's begin. On the number 5 spot, we have War Trigger 3. Compete with friends or players from around the globe using some of the world's deadliest modern weapons and vehicles. Play with up to 24 players in unique arenas designed for infantry, vehicle, and air combat, with different game modes like Search and Destroy, Territories, Conquer, Survivor, Team Deathmatch. So definitely worth a try if you have a toaster and love games like Battlefield. On the number 4 spot, we have Mad Out 2 Big City Online. There are no rules, only the need to win. You can create any chaos. This game has many features like online mode, play with your friends, open world, full open, explored, over 30 different cars available, many racing with weapons, bonuses, rockets, mines, bullet, different weather conditions, advanced car destruction, angry bots, crazy Russian cars. So worth a try if you love GTA type games. On the number 3 spot, we have Hellbound Survival Mode. Test your abilities in a fully featured free survival mode. Battle against hordes of demons and other unholy creatures in Hellbound, a first-person shooter game inspired by the 90s classics like Doom, Quake, Duke Nukem 3D, Blood, but with modern visuals and audio. Power up and grab some big powerful guns to try to beat all the unholy beasts in this grotesque game focused on action, speed, gore, and metal music. So try it if you want to. On the number 2 spot, we have Paladins. Join 25+ million players in Paladins, the free-to-play fantasy team-based shooter sensation. Wield guns and magic as a legendary champion of the realm, customizing your core set of abilities to play exactly how you want to play. Paladins is set in a vibrant fantasy world and features a diverse cast of champions ranging from sharpshooting humans to mech-riding goblins, mystical elves, and jetpack-clad dragons. Each champion brings a unique set of abilities to the battlefield, and new champions are regularly added to Paladins, keeping the game exciting. Paladins is completely free to play. Anything that affects gameplay can be unlocked simply by playing, with cosmetic items available for purchase. No matter what your playstyle is, you'll find it in Paladins. With Paladin's deck building system, you can become an iron sights sniper, a grenade slinging explosives expert, or a track star with an assault rifle, all as the same champion. Choose from dozens of cards to customize your abilities and make each champion your own. Ancient Goddess, Interstellar Bounty Hunter, Cutthroat Pirate, Frost Giant. You can be all of these and more in Paladins. Choose from hundreds of skins already available in Paladins, or find a new favorite in each update. Worth a try if you love fantasy-based shooter games.
On the number 1 spot, we have Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Counter-Strike
global offensive expands upon the team-based action gameplay that it pioneered when it was launched 19 years ago. CSGO features new maps, characters, weapons, and game modes, and delivers updated versions of the classic CS content. For the past 12 years, it has continued to be one of the most played games in the world, headline competitive gaming tournaments, and selling over 25 million units worldwide across the franchise. CSGO promises to expand on CS award-winning gameplay and deliver it to gamers on the PC as well as the next-gen consoles and the Mac. So definitely worth a try if you love FPS games. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your parents. Bye.